Legal practitioners in Nigeria and the rest of Africa need to show more commitment to offer free legal services on public interest law and issues through pro bono. This assertion came to the fore in Lagos at the 2025 conference of the Nigerian Bar Association section on Public Interest and Development Law, Spidel, where the need for institutionalized pro bono legal services was highlighted. Our correspondent, Fatokin Kule, compiles details in this report presented from our studio. It was a gathering of legal practitioners under the platform of the Ikeja branch of the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, where the issue of public interest dominated discourse. The chairman of NBA Spidel, Professor Paul Ananaba, a senior advocate of Nigeria, fired the first salvo, where he said that there is danger in the tinted glasses permit planned enforcement, as announced by the Nigerian police, Kayode Egbetokun, pointing out that there is no need for the public to entertain any fear of the enforcement, as Spidel and some lawyers have taken the police to court over what is a public interest issue.
That is not to say that tinted permits cannot be regulated. That's not what we're saying. But we're saying that you cannot hide on that and the public will get more punished. So as we speak, the Superior Police had to extend invitation to us. We held meetings in their offices and we agreed that the tinted permit will be put on hold until a joint committee of Nigerian Police and Spidel and NBA, which is NBA, looks into it, agree on modalities of looking at tinted permit in public interest.
With public interest law and associated issues gaining momentum worldwide, legal practitioners in Nigeria and Africa will now have to be more committed to offer free legal services to the poor and the downtrodden in the society through pro bono, as being practiced in the United States and some countries where more legal firms and individuals have established a platform on public interest issues. This is apart from providing required research and data for the pro bono legal representation.
A lot of lawyers across Africa are willing to offer pro bono legal services. But what we are promoting is what we are going to look at a structured, institutionalized way of offering pro bono. Many Africans, will say we already offer pro bono through our family members, our brothers, our sisters. What we are looking at is beginning to work with bar associations across different countries in Africa to develop a structure that will favor the civil society organizations in many countries. We want to think about how do we begin to institutionalize pro bono through partnership with Nigerian Bar Association.
In view of the incidences of victimization of some students in higher institutions and downtrodden in the society, legal practitioners believe that pro bono will go a long way in providing justice for such people.
When we talk of pro bono, we are not just talking about people that are in conflict with the law. There are people, students, who have been victimized in universities. Some people, they did jam in the course of university processing their application, their names got missing. They need free legal services. By providing such services to younger generation, we are building people that will help the nation in the future.
But the challenge is what we want to address, that is the platform by which they can provide those services. There's a lot of human rights abuse cases, there are a lot of people who are in need of these services, and there are a lot of lawyers who are also willing, but where is that platform, where is that vehicle? That's what the NBA tries to do, that's what Spidel tries to do.
These members of the bar gave assurance that there will be more commitment on the part of lawyers in Nigeria in offering pro bono services on public interest issues to provide justice for those in need.
That Spidel have already, in some aspect of this, began to take both steps that we want to bring to your table to also leverage on. In September, just last month, Spidel was involved in the development of the National Legal Aid Strategy for Nigeria.
Many lawyers provide pro bono services, but again we now want to take it to another level by creating this platform. And for your information, even before this one, this center, where we are in MBA Ikeja, is the point of human rights activism in Nigeria, and pro bono services are provided by so many of us.
With an institutionalized pro bono legal representation gaining momentum, NBA Spidel and other legal practitioners in Ikeja branch assured that offering free legal services for those in urgent need will now be structured in line with the situation in the United States.